If you're a business owner and you've been having issues with tracking your inventory, or you track it but you track it using pen and paper and you're actually having issues with it, don't worry, I'll be showing you a simple system in which you can use Google Sheet to track your inventory. Don't tell anyone I told you this. So I'm opening my Google Sheet. So I want to track inventory using a simple template. So instead of you as a business owner to track your inventory in using pen and paper at this age and time. So the first thing I'm going to do is the cell. I'm going to merge this cell. Okay, before I do that, I'll leave one column. I'm going to write dates. I'm going to write dates. I'll go to the next. I write description. I'm going to write in. I'm going to write in. I'm going to write out. And I'm going to write balance. So the next thing I'm going to do is my description. I want to make my description column wider. My dates, let me increase this more. My in and balance, I'm okay with it that way. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mesh this cell. I'm going to so I've selected it. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on this icon, this merge icon. You can see that this cell, and I'll write what I want to write. Let me assume I want to track inventory for weeks, for my Bond Street wigs that I sell. Bond Street wigs. So now I want to align this. I want it to be at the center. You can see. So let me say I want to give it a color. And let me say I want to increase the font. I want to increase the font and increase the font from here. As it. You can see how my table is turning into. Okay, I said Bond Street inventory. So this is inventory in which I used to receive my Bond Street. So let me say 1st December 2025. I received week. I received Bond Street. 30 pieces. Then what came in was 30. I'm going to write 30. So 30 is there, right? So I'll keep my balance to 30. Let me say on the 5th, on the 2nd, on the 3rd of December 2025, I sold I sold I sold I sold that one I will be at the out. I sold 5 weeks, fourth, until on the fourth. Still on the fourth, I sold there's 3 went out. Then I received another stock. I received I received on the fourth I sold 3. Then 50 on the pieces 6th of the Bond Street. That same okay, then I write 50. That same day I sold 20 out of it. If you're a business owner, you're looking for a simple system in which you can use to track your inventory, to track the products you sell. This is a simple system you can use using just Google Sheets on your phone or on your system. So as you can see here, this is my sell week. So this is my Bond Street inventory, and in this template I have the date, the description, what is coming in, what is going out, and balance. So now for me to know what is available, so for me to calculate my inventory using this Google Sheet, you can see here in under the description I received 30 pieces of Bond Street. That is 30 came in. The following day I sold 5 out, that is 5 went out. The following day 3 went out. The next day 10 went out. Then the next day I bought 50, and the following day I did what? That same day I received 50, I also sold 20. So I want to know what is left in my inventory for me to do. So for me to get the balance, to know how many is remaining in stock, for me to do that, I'll do equals to balance plus in what I received minus out. I'll do enter. So to calculate what I have in stock, I'm going to do equals to balance plus in minus out. This way to undo. If it was system, I would just have to draw it down, but since this is not system, I'm going to be inputting the formula. I'll go so equals to equal balance plus in minus out. So that is what is remaining, and we'll go again. Equals to balance equals to balance plus in minus out. So you can see. Then I now restock and also so that day. So now see equals to balance minus in equals to balance plus in minus out. So I'm left with 42. Okay, I'm left with 62. So this is the simple way in which I can track inventory in my hair business just using my smartphone. So the more I add products, I apply the formula and I'm good to go.